Brussels sprouts. Morella campaign. It's so tall. 7 feet high now. Oh, compost. A volunteer potato in a pot. It's still going. It looks better than any of them, and I don't even pay any attention to it. Beets. Another pile of straw from the chicks we had. And some potatoes over here. And there's more tomatoes. Lots of tomatoes. Got 3 back here. And this is huge. This is kabocha squash. They're sweeter than pumpkin. I really like them. I add eggs to canned pumpkin or kabocha and nutmeg and cinnamon and honey, and I make a shake. Call it a nog, a pumpkin nog. But anyway, there's some more seeds. Seeds over here. Lots of seeds. It's all parsley seeds. Tomato. Collard. Tomato. I don't know what happened to this garlic. I planted it like in the winter, so I really don't know what to expect. I've been trying to grow garlic now for years, and I still haven't got it yet. But I'm not giving up. Anyway, there's some real pretty stuff here. Yeah. Leek flowers. Anyway, just thought it'd be fun to do a little trip through the yard. You have a wonderful evening.